microwave has been acting up too again.
Yeah.
So, when the timer runs out, then usually
Beep, beep, beep.
it beeps and it turns off, right?
Yeah.
It stops going.
Yeah, like, cause the microwave generally makes like a...
And then it goes beep, beep, beep,
Right.
and it's done.
Oh, beep, 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 but also beep.
And the timer is done, but the light is on and it's still doing stuff.
Yeah. And now we just have to unplug it.
You press the button and it doesn't do anything. So we just pull the plug out.
For how long? Forever.
Forever, it won't stop.
Yeah.
So I start to panic because it's still heating the
Right.
stuff up.
Right.
Huh.
I don't think it's a setting.
This is
Yeah.
the second
Please,
microwave.
we can't. The first one we can't return either.
No.
So, no refund.
I don't want to get a third microwave.
We can't just give our old microwave to Senpai either.
No.
I don't
I
know.
think it's done that 3 times now.
2 or 3 times maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It scared me, so then I asked why to unplug it.
Yeah, the warranty. Yeah, but then that means that we have to go be like, excuse me.
It's broken.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we already were like, excuse me about the previous microwave and it didn't go so well. So that's the hard part about being in a new country.
Yeah.
Is that everything that was hard in the previous place is harder.
Now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. If we buy another one, then that means we just too many microwaves. We need somebody to make us a microwave just for Fuwamoco.
Yeah.
Right?
Fuwamoco.
Yeah, one that's cute. Yeah, our current one isn't very cute. Yeah.
Yeah.
One
Instead of
that's
just going
been-
beep, beep, beep. できたよ
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the bathtub.
Ah. Fuwamoco easy bake oven. You can make PON-DE-RINGs in it. Ah.
That could be handy.
Wow. I like that.
Good ideas. Bye-bye.
No!
No! No! No!
That was something else. Yeah, that was something else, Moko-chan, huh? Yeah.
No!